In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlinks in Google Sheets using 3 easy methods. Whether you're tidying up a sheet that's cluttered with links or simply trying to present data more clearly, removing hyperlinks can often make your documents look much cleaner and easier to read. First, let's start by opening up your Google Sheet. Once you have your sheet in front of you, find the cell that contains a hyperlink you want to remove. Let's use cell C2 for our example. Why cell C2? Well, it's just a starting point and it makes our process easier to follow as we demonstrate. Hover your mouse over the hyperlink in that cell. A small dialog box should appear, providing you with a couple of options regarding the link. Click on the Remove option. This quick method instantly removes the hyperlink, leaving you with just the text. This is ideal if you need to remove links individually or work on a smaller dataset. Now let's try another method that might be handy when managing multiple links. Click on cell E2, which contains another hyperlink. Right-click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, find and select View More Cell Actions. This will bring up additional options you might not have seen initially. One of these options should allow you to remove link. Selecting this will efficiently strip the hyperlink from your selected cell, just like before. The third method is especially useful for removing hyperlinks from multiple cells at once. Let's start with cell G2 for this. Right-click on the cell and choose Copy from the menu. Then click on cell G3 or any other blank cell where you wish to paste the unlinked text. Right-click again, but this time, choose Paste Special. Under the Paste Special options, click on Values Only. This approach pastes just the plain text without any formatting or hyperlinks into your new cell. This is a powerful method when you need to remove links from a range of cells. By selecting the entire range, copying, and then pasting values only, you can remove multiple hyperlinks simultaneously. And there you have it, 3 straightforward methods to remove hyperlinks in Google Sheets. Whether it's a small dataset or a large spreadsheet with numerous links, using these techniques will help you keep your documents neat and easy to navigate. Remember, practice is key, so feel free to try them out and see which method works best for your particular needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplifies your work with Google Sheets.